Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Today I'm going to tell you how to create your PayPal account in Pakistan. You need to click on this link. I will provide this link in the description. When you will click on this link, you will appear here on this window. You need to click on sign up, and when you will click on sign up, you need to put receive payments with PayPal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you get a successful here in creation of PayPal account. So need to put here email address, gmail.com. Okay, now you need to click on next. You need to put here password. Okay, and you need to put your name. No, I don't want to put this information. Okay, you can put here student. As a business, you can put here. Here you can see a Pakistani flag. Now you need to put your number. Business, you can put here simply Mulchan, and if you click on here city, just need to click on here Mulchan, region, state, province, it's Punjab. Here zip code, you need to click on 1015, and you can select here US dollar. Just agree and continue, because we are on a Philippines website, that's why we put here 1015. I have clicked on agree and continue, so let's wait what it see. Here you can, now you can use your PayPal account for your business. Individual, what's your product? You can any click, let me, if I can find it a little bit. College, university, computer equipment, software store. Here I can find it's not applicable. Continue. And meanwhile, you will receive an email. You need to verify your card, but here you can select Pakistan, ID card. Remember, you need to provide your legal information according to your national ID card. Okay, submit. Home address is the same as, and thank you, please confirm your email address. But let's open here, no problem. When you will open here email, come on, yes, here you can see Activate your account now. I have already opened this email, but okay, confirm my email. As we will click on confirm email, so here you can see a new window will appear, and let's see what it says. I need to put a password here. Okay, confirm my email, and it's checking your information. This message was saying exactly, showing exactly on my mobile, but let's see what happened next. Okay, login. Security challenge here. Okay, I'm not sure about. Trust me, I'm not sure. Oh my god, cars. Okay, and verify. Thank you for verifying me. Now here you can see, I hope PayPal dashboard is open. Now you can use your PayPal account. Yes, you can use your PayPal account now in Pakistan. Here you can see, now you can simply log in to go to PayPal. Sorry, why it's Papa. So you can just click on PayPal. Let's log in paypal.com and go to paypal.com, and here you can see you can log in through now paypal.com dashboard. Here you can see a dashboard here. Now you can use this PayPal account. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. So let me show you. Let me show you a summary here. Come on. Why it's taking a time? I think my internet having slow. Yes, now you can see. So enjoy your account, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.